Tuloy na sa Sawalay Thoughts. Based off some AI prompt online, a friend, or rather, a true friend, is someone who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. Pero, would you consistently walk in when your friend's actions are hurting you and their actions no longer align with yours? This is a tough and deeply personal episode. Walang isang tamang sagot. But I'm here to share my views that might help my listeners decide what's best for them. So, magkikwento ako ng something na nangyari noon pa naman. So, we had a friend who was one of the few who I considered true. That friend not only did something stupid, it's rather illicit in nature. And it's something that still hurts us kahit na hindi na kami ganun ka-engage sa kanya. That's how we love this person. That's how our friendship ran. Or so we thought. Siyempre, at first, naisip namin na being a true friend, dapat we stay through thick or thin. After all, that's what good friends do, diba? Pero, true friends will never tolerate your wrongdoings. True friends are honest but kind. We will tell you the truth no matter how uncomfortable it is on both sides. Bakit? Kasi we care enough not to let you alone misguided. So, ayun na nga. We did our best to understand what's happening. Inunawa namin kung saan siya nanggagaling. We empathize. Nag-isip kami ng malalim. Kaso, we've been noticing patterns from the past. But we chose to let those things go. Because maybe, just maybe, they have a blurred boundary that they may not fully understand. And so we stayed. We stayed then because we love them. But now, we struggled to support them. Nako-compromise na rin yung boundaries namin and yung values na matagal naming pinaniwalaan. Pero, syempre, nilaban pa rin kahit obvious naman na hindi siya nakinig at hindi rin siya makikinig. We did our best to hold the mirror up just so they can see who they're hurting and who can possibly get hurt in the future. But it's useless. We were met with gaslighting and manipulation. They showed no remorse and ayun, they're unwilling to change. Dumating sa point na we ask ourselves, can we remain friends with people who did something wrong? Should we stay when a friend's actions no longer align with our core values? With my experience, here's my take on that. If a friend made something wrong or stupid, syempre, pagsasabihan at pagsasabihan hanggang matauhan. Minsan talaga kung hindi tayo yung tatanga-tanga sa circle of friends, may isa doon na mas tanga pa sa inyo. But, if that friend justifies their actions and does not mind hurting you and betraying your trust, hindi na po yan dapat tinotolerate. Personally, I value genuine and lifetime connections. Kahit na yung mga friends ko, iba-iba kami ng paniniwala. Pero if what they're doing is downright inappropriate and does not align with the values I stand for, it's time to let go. It's not my obligation to stay close to someone whose behavior constantly hurts me and goes against the standards I've held on for so long. After all, letting them go naman doesn't mean you can't be civil. Pwede pa rin naman mag-usap at magbiruan, pero the level of closeness and boundaries will totally shift. Kasi this time, you're protecting your peace and well-being. During that time, may nagtanong sa akin, is a broken friendship open for a reconnection? It can, only if it feels right. As cliche as it may seem, and you've probably heard this a billion times, nobody's perfect. Tao tayo eh. We make mistakes, and if we're lucky, we might grow from them. If your ex-friend shows remorse and is willing to change their ways, you may consider trying to rebuild the friendship. However, never feel pressured to rebuild a friendship that harms you. After all, friendship breakups hurt more than a romantic one, and ramdam na ramdam namin yan noon. Sa kaibigan namin na naligaw, in spite of words that were exchanged and tears that were cried, it's never too late to come back to our side. Mahal ka namin eh. And to anyone out there who let a friendship go and iniisip if they did the right thing, first, forgive yourself. Alam ko, iniisip mo na hindi ka mabuting kaibigan kasi bumitaw ka. Pero hindi. Lalo na if that friendship hurts you and no longer aligns with your values. Trust your reasons. Not all friendships are meant to last forever. Hindi naman lahat ng tao kinikip ko. Grieve. That's what I always say naman. You lost someone. You lost something dear to you. Give yourself time to process that emotion. I also know, and I'm sure, that you miss them. But please know that missing them does not mean you made a wrong move. It just means they mattered to you. Minahal mo yung kaibigan mo na yun. My listeners already know how clingy I get with the people I care about and how hard it is for me to let people and things go. Hanggat kaya ilaban, nilalaban ko yan. Pero as I get older and as I gain experiences through life, I've learned that true friendship should feel safe, mutual, and respectful. There would be some misunderstandings for sure, but it will just make the bond stronger. Pero if the friendship constantly or consistently hurts you, causes you stress, and no longer adds value to your life, it's time to walk away. Whether you're currently healing from cutting off a friend or still feeling the weight of deciding to cut one off, remember that it's okay to outgrow people. Let things end when they need to, and trust that something better out there will come to you. Hayaan na natin sila kung saan sila mas sasaya. Di natin sila bate. Padayon langga. Ayan, salamat sa pagkikinig sa episode na to. Follow me on Instagram at @SaweliThoughts and leave your comments there or sa Q&A portion ng episode na to. You may also follow this podcast to stay updated sa mga latest episodes. Ito po muli ang babaeng madaldal na walang makausap, daldal again next time, dito sa Saweli Thoughts.